So Bitcoin is sitting at 67,376 right now, as you can see. And we are still expecting it to go up. As I had shared with you in my previous video, the expectations for Bitcoin are that it should hold 64,500, and if it holds, it can continue to rally up. And we did see that Bitcoin continued to fight over this area for quite some time. We saw all that fight over here in this range, and it continued to fight, and then it started winning. And now what we are seeing right now is it is trying to go towards $68,000, which is not that far. And I can give you an indicator that as long as it stays above $66,000, it can go towards 68 and break that and go towards $70,000. But if it is not able to hold 66, what will happen is that it will go back and again test 64,500. The overall situation of Bitcoin and the overall situation of the market is bullish. In the start of the month, I told you that July generally turns to be green when it is a bull run, and that is exactly what we are seeing right now, that July is trying to end up being green. Even though the starting was full of hiccups, we saw a drop, but that is not the case scenario for the ending of the month. And I think Bitcoin will hold 64,500 if it wants to stay bullish. The last stop is $62,000. If that is broken, then of course it will not stop at 53. Then it will go lower than that. So 62 is the most critical indicator for this rally, but it is irrelevant for the update because I make 10 videos a day on 10 coins, and I cover generally what will happen in the next 48 hours. So considering that, I don't expect it I don't expect it to drop. And right now the mini structure that it has created, it is bullish. So based on this structure, I would still expect it to rally towards 68 and break that and go towards $70,000. And I gave you the indicator at 66, even though the support is at 64,500. The support is not 66, it is 64,500, from where it is fighting and rallying all the way up. And market is turning green. Now we will have weekly closing, something that people look at, and then we will have a monthly closing. So I think, as I had shared with you in previous videos as well, that the market is trying to create lower highs. So every time when it is creating a low, it will be higher than the previous one.